Taxi Cab PG 2.5. What's going on, everyone? My name is John. You're watching Solepost, and this is another Solepost unboxing. Today we take a look at the PG 2.5 Amarillo. Now, Amarillo or Amarillo is Spanish for yellow, so that's basically the inspiration for the colorway, I guess. First, let's take a look at the box. The box is the PG 2.5 box, so it's the yellow box with the black detailing, and the colorway is Amarillo, chrome, and black. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe features a mostly yellow upper with black detailing, as well as chrome and gray hits all throughout the shoe. Taking a look at the toe, you have a yellow mesh toe with the synthetic panel, and you also have the yellow midfoot strap. Taking a look at the tongue, you also have a mesh tongue with the synthetic detailing on the tongue tag. On the left shoe, you have the PG logo on the tongue tag. And on the right shoe, you have details about Paul George, his date of birth, where he's from, as well as his location, which is United States. The insole is gray with the PG logo on the left shoe and the 13 number on the right shoe. Taking a look at the lateral, you have the yellow mesh panel, as well as the suede overlay in black. For the heel, you've got a black stripe for the back tab, as well as a mission space exploration on the back tab of the right shoe. The medial is identical to the lateral, so you've got the yellow mesh base along with the black suede detailing, but you also have a chrome Nike swoosh on the medial side. The shoe features a gray and black midsole with the chrome Nike swoosh, and you have a white outsole with the PG logo and a little graphic detailing where the zoom air is. In comparison to the debut colorway of the PG 2.5, this colorway is so much better in my personal opinion in comparison to the black and white colorway. I'm definitely glad I picked this one up, and the shoe reminds me of the Taxi LeBron 9 Elite that came out a couple years ago, even though it has, because it's a low top, more Bruce Lee Kobe 5 vibes. Now let's get some detailed looks at the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump. The PG 2.5 Amarillo is now available at select Nike retailers and Nike.com for a retail price of $110. Alright everyone, this has been another Solepost unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Solepost channel. Check out solepost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Solepost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.